Don't know, so I'm back again with another new poem. But this poem is also dedicated for the teachers them, I go through hell in Jamaica. From the year start as a teacher, I call after then, student a fight off teacher. I just write this poem, just to be a voice to them, represent them. You don't mean a teacher still, but that's a thought me that do on the teachers them. It's entitled Teachers Speak. Then get bashed most of the time and get blamed for everything. But if we only as a people would put ourselves in a freedom shoes and try to teach a classroom and see if hell no broke loose. I just teachers pain, a teacher's pain. Sometimes I wonder how wouldn't I get insane to be a teacher in a Jamaica. Your mental health have to turn up. You can't be no weak heart. Worse, you have to deal with some hard-eared, stubborn pitney. You have to be strong. When that boy, the other girl, tell you about your mother or your past, at the grace of God, I prevent you from lick them down. A teacher's pain, or just a teacher's pain. Sometimes I wonder, oh, no, get insane. The struggle is real. No wonder enough of them have to turn beggar, hustler, extortionist, and tax the poor parents them pocket for contribution and book rental. I just a teacher's pain, a teacher's pain. May I wonder, oh, wouldn't I get insane? Me not grudge nobody to turn a teacher, because teaching is a hard work. It's not easy at all for up all nights and mark exam paper and I create lesson plan. I just a teacher's pain. A teacher's pain. Sometimes I wonder, oh, wouldn't I get insane? Them a cry out for respect. Them a cry out for acceptance. Government, please, may I beg you, with respect, raise them salary. Nobody lead them astray because them have bills, them have family and bills to pay. I just a teacher's pain, a teacher's pain. Sometimes I wonder, oh, wouldn't I get insane? All through the year, been through hell, pitting a fight off teacher. But big respect to every teacher. Not for we never like school, but them in show say we never farm fool. Them teach you to read and write and how to construct a sentence and make a proper interview to get a job. Teacher's pain, I just a teacher's pain. Sometimes I wonder, oh, wouldn't I get insane? Oh, wouldn't I get insane? I just a teacher's pain. Teacher's pain. Teacher can build you and a teacher can break you. Enough respect to the hard-working teacher them.